Hello, dear students. Welcome to NITS classes. Today, we will do the questions and answers of Chapter 1. The chapter name is Crop Production and Management. Question 1. Select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. Float, water, crop, nutrients, preparation. Answer. A. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called crop. B. The first step before growing crops is preparation of the soil. C. Damaged seeds would float on top of water. D. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water and nutrients from the soil are essential. Question 2. Match items in column A with those in column B. Answer. Number 1. Kharif of column A matches with paddy and maize of column B. Number 2. Rabi of column 1 matches with wheat, gram, pea of column B. Number 3. Chemical fertilizers of column 1 matches with urea and superphosphate of column B. Number 4. Organic manure of column 1 matches with animal excreta, cow dung urine and plant wastes of column B. Question 3. Give 2 examples of each. A. Kharif crop. B. Rabi crop. Answer. Kharif crops, paddy and maize. Rabi crops, wheat and pea. Question 4. Write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. A. Preparation of soil. B. Sowing. C. Weeding. D. Threshing. Answer. A. Preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is an important step in agriculture as it directly affects the growth and yield of crops. Plowing. The first step in soil preparation is plowing. It involves turning over the soil to loosen it and break up any clumps. This helps to aerate the soil and allows water and nutrients to penetrate deeper. B. Sowing. Sowing is an important process in crop production. First, healthy seeds are selected before sowing. After selecting healthy seeds, sowing is done by either traditional methods or by using the equipment seed drill. C. Weeding. Weeding is an important agricultural practice that involves the removal of unwanted plants or weeds from the crop field. Weeding is usually done using hand tools like a hoe or a sickle. Weedicides are also used for removing weeds. Weeding helps in reducing competition for nutrients, water, and sunlight among the crops and weeds, which ultimately leads to better crop yield and quality. D. Threshing. Threshing is the process of separating the grains or seeds from the harvested crop. Threshing is commonly done for crops like rice, wheat, and pulses. Traditionally, threshing was done manually by beating the crop with sticks or trampling it with animals. However, nowadays, threshing machines are widely used for this purpose. These machines use a rotating drum or a cylinder with spikes or teeth that separate the grains from the straw. Question 5. Explain how fertilizers are different from manure. Answer. Number 1. Fertilizer is an inorganic substance whereas manure is an organic substance. Number 2. Fertilizers are prepared artificially whereas manure is obtained by the decomposition of animal, plant, and human waste. Number 3. Fertilizers are prepared in factories whereas manure are prepared in fields. Number 4. Fertilizer does not provide humus to the soil whereas manure provide humus to the soil. Number 5. Fertilizer long-term usage has adverse effects on soil whereas manure long-term usage improves soil fertility. Question 6. What is irrigation? Describe 2 methods of irrigation that conserve water. Answer. Irrigation. Irrigation is the process of artificially supplying water to crops or plants to help them grow and develop. 2 methods of irrigation are: Number 1. Sprinkler irrigation system. This irrigation system has an arrangement of vertical pipes with rotating nozzles on the top. It is more useful in uneven and sandy land where sufficient water is not available. Number 2. Drip irrigation system. This irrigation system has an arrangement of pipes or tubes with very small holes in them to water plants drop by drop just at the base of the root. It is very efficient as water is not wasted at all. These are the images of sprinkler irrigation system and drip irrigation system. Question 7. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Answer. Wheat crop is sown from November-December to March-April. It is grown in winter and requires less water. If wheat is sown in Kharif season, its production will be decreased considerably. Question 8. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. Answer. Continuous plantation of crops makes the soil poorer in certain nutrients as the crops take up nutrients from the soil. The soil becomes infertile. It does not get enough time to replenish the nutrients. Question 9. What are the weeds? How can we control them? Answer. Weeds. The undesirable and unwanted plants which grow naturally along with the crop are called weeds. The growth of weeds can be controlled by adopting many ways. Number 1. Tilling before sowing of crops helps in the uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. Number 2. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals, called weedicides. Weedicides are sprayed in the fields to kill the weeds. You can see images of hand-picking method to remove weeds. Question 10. Arrange the following boxes in the proper order to make a flow chart of sugarcane crop production. Answer. The proper order is 1. Preparation of soil. 2. Plowing. 3. Sowing. 4. Adding manure. 5. Irrigation. 6. Harvesting. 7. Sending crops to factory. In the images you can see steps. Question 11. Complete the following word puzzle with the help of clues given below. Answer. Let us see down first. Number 1. Providing water to the crops is irrigation. Number 2. Keeping crop grains for a long time under proper conditions is storage. Number 5. Certain plants of the same kind grown on a large scale is crop. Let us see across. Number 3. A machine used for cutting the matured crop is harvester. Number 4. A rubby crop that is also one of the pulses is gram. Number 6. A process of separating the grain from the chaff is winnowing. So, students, with this the questions and answers of Chapter 1 are completed. All chapters' questions and answers are available in the channel playlist. Thanks for watching.